Hello, Sadan. Today we will ship this machine for you, okay? This is a smaller machine, but the machine head, we make it also big. Here you see, it is for Audi Q7. It is big shop, but we can put inside into the machine head directly, okay? So you can crimp directly. This is a 220 wattage. So our engineer make the power plug like this. We can connect this plug to the 220 wattage directly. Here, after connecting the power, we come here, the emergency button, the power button, the start button, and the crimp button. This is finally is the release button, okay? Now I open the power. And here start the motor. Here you can see Chinese and English. We go inside the English model. Here this interface, the data no need to change. But for this holding time, if you want to clean longer time, then you can add the time, okay? Here there are two working models. One is pressure, another is itinerary. We often keep the pressure model, okay? Here you can see the data set. We go inside. Now the real time pressure, it is 0. This we can set what pressure we want, okay? For example, now I want to 6, then I input 6 and confirm, okay? I touch this button, this crimping button, and my left hand turn this to 6, okay? And for example, I want to reduce the pressure, like 4, and confirm, okay? And I also touch this. Then I turn anti-clockwise. Okay, then the pressure reduce, okay? So we use this button, this crimping button, and turn this button to increase or reduce the pressure. But here, this screw, when you set the pressure, you must lock this screw, okay? Lock it, and then you can start crimping, okay? And here, we supply one foot pedal. This one you can control by your foot, because when you crimping, your hand you can take the parts, and then your foot to control the machine open and close like this. And here, these are the tools for you. Some for steel rings, some for aluminum cover, and some for middle rings. Okay.